Hello, today we've got a 2019 Yamaha AR 240, brand new looking. Looks like it just came out of the factory with 45 hours on it. Clean trailer. Of course, you've got the Yamaha swim platform right at the water line. Added the Cobra Jet steering and trim tabs. Additional storage behind the seats here. You've got your tower with tower speakers. That's a collapsible arch. Table bases in the rear and here. Plenty of room for entertaining on the boat. Very clean interior. 45 hours on the boat. Like I said, it's almost brand new. Nice size head with, again, brand new, still in the wrapping, porta potty. In-floor storage here. Lots of space for your toys. Lots of seating up front in the bow. Again, JL Audio. We've got bow filler cushions. Anchor storage. Windshield. Very fun boat, great family boat. Give us a call at SkipperBud's or call me directly, Austin 419-967-5282. Thank you.